And now we're standing on hole number 10. So to start off the back nine, this hole is very typical of the Moor course here at Boyne Highlands, which was the second golf course built here, designed by Bill Newcomb and John Robinson, and opened in 1974. Hole number 10 is a par 4 that plays just under 400 yards for the boys and will play about 340 yards for the girls. As you can see behind me, trees line both sides of this fairway. And what you can't see from the tee box is wetland over on the left-hand side as you get on the fairway. And as you go out past the landing zone, you also have a pond that comes into play on the right-hand side of the course. But the challenge doesn't stop here at the tee box. What happens is you'll land and you have about 120 to 150 yards in. That is all carry from the landing zone. Golfers will need to still steer clear of the trees, not only here off the tee, but also the approach into the green. As I said, you have a long carry over. You have bunkers also protecting both the right and left-hand sides of a relatively narrow green. But once again, the green funnels toward the middle to help you out a little bit as long as you can stay out of the trouble. We're standing about 140 yards downrange from the tee box on the 18th here at the Moor. It's a very demanding par 5 finishing hole. Plays about 525 yards for the boys and about 465 yards for the girls. The 18th is a recap of everything that you could have experienced here on the Moor course. Water, check. Okay. Wetlands, check. Bunkers, check. Dog legs, a couple of them. And water again to take you into the finishing hole. This hole is one of the most exciting finishing holes that we offer here at Boyne Golf, and we give you two options off the tee box with a very big choice to make. It's a very big test for these 12 to 19-year-old boys and girls from as far away as California, Washington, Texas, Florida, Virginia. We've got a great representation here in the Midwest and also a few from Ontario. The majority of the golfers will follow what we call the Z pattern and play down to the right hand side, which is actually easily the safest route here. So your tee shot will put you 220, 230 yards out. The only problem is from that tee shot, you don't have a clear shot at the green. So it's going to require a 150 to 170 yard shot back across in between the two ponds, and then you're going to have approximately 175 to 100 yard shot into the green. But for those that are more aggressive, you can go directly through the path of the trees, obviously trying to avoid the two trees in the middle or the one on the far end, but the path right down the left hand side. But it's a 255 yard drive off the boys' tees to carry that. So from there you have a second shot and a great look at the green for eagle, but you've still got 150 to 170 yard carry to take you back onto the box. Number 18 on the Moor truly provides a champion's test for these young golfers from all over the United States and Canada.